FFA? Future Faggots of America? Yeah. Oh, what? She said what? She said what? No, it's Future Faggots of America. No, we Future Faggot. That's why I'm in it, because I'm going to be a faggot. Stop videotaping me. Stop. She cranks my tractor. Did you know that? Did you know that? Did she crank my tractor? Stop. Stop. She's fucking over there doing something. Stop. I don't know what she's doing. Mommy, stop. You're mean to me. Like you're not being mean. You just farted again. Tyler just farted again. You nasty. You nasty lesbian. She cranks my tractor. Do you know that? Does she crank your tractor too? Hey, I'm talking to you. Ah!
What?
I'm talking to you.
Me?
No. Does she crank your tractor too? Does she crank your tractor too? Yeah, does she crank your tractor too? Does she crank your tractor? No, she don't try on your tractor. She crank it. I don't know the skinny girl. I don't know her name. The skinny girl that cranks your tractor. You know why I don't want anyone to crank your tractor? Somebody needs to crank your tractor. I crank you. I can't. I don't know how to crank a tractor. Yeah, I haven't figured it out yet. Yeah, so the skinny girl crank your tractor. Stop videotaping me. Stop. Stop. Yeah. Huh. What? Oh, really? Oh, me too. Yeah. Yeah. What? Oh, shucks. Me. I said, oh, shucks, me too. Yeah. What? Sorry. I didn't mean it like that. No, I actually did. I asked Dummy over here.
What?
Do I talk like this?
What?
How I'm talking?
Yes, you do.
Told you. I talk like this.
When you're tired?
I talk like this when I'm tired. Yeah. Yeah, pretty good. What? What are you doing? What? What are you doing? What? Huh? Okay. down for you. Why? Aww. Curler. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I'm hallucinating now. I can't do this no more. You saw that too, right? What the fuck? Were you putting some in my eye? Someone did.
You went like this, Nick. You went like this. You're like,
I saw a curler coming at my eye. I never kidding it was coming. Hello?
what the hell are you talking about?
I don't remember. Pieces of my heart and pieces. Hello? I'm sorry, I saw a curler coming at my eye. I was asleep. I was not sleeping, but I was like awake. And I'm sleeping stopped. Like, that was Tori. So I was sleeping, but I wasn't sleeping. And I saw a curler coming at my eye. Stop! You made me cry.
Hello?
Vicky, get
She's crying now.
home.
Huh? Because she thought there was a curler coming at her eye.
I saw it. It was coming full speed.
I don't know what her... She doesn't want to talk. She threw the phone at me. She doesn't want to talk. So she doesn't. I'm videotaping all of this. I'm videotaping all of this.
Where's my curler at?
Dude, it's in the bathroom.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No.